What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay with another dope review. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. I know I'm always about Reebok, but we're doing something different today. Let me pull these bad boys out. We're gonna be doing some Timberlands. So some places call these the constructs, the rookies, but I just like going with butters. Sweet like butter, soft like butter. This is it. Check it out. This is pretty much gonna go over how to make sure you have the proper Tim. We call these butters. We call them wheat Tims. There's so many different names for them, different places. I just go with the classic butters. I love these Tims. Growing up, I didn't really rock these. I rocked one of the other different versions of Tims. So, what you need to know when you purchase your Tims, always, when it comes to butters, always make sure it has these two tones. Alright? So 1, 2. If you purchase some butters that's all one, you got the wrong one. Just send them shits back. We don't like seeing those. It's not these, alright? And plus, looking on top, it has to have this pretty much leather, have one leather piece. There are some that comes with like two, a little iffy, especially when you get in these regular, just the butters. These Tims right here, the 6-inch, you just want to get one. When you go to the outlet, sometimes it has a 2. It have this correct, but it has a 2 on top. We know you pay a little bit light. You know what I mean? We know the prices. But make sure all these are official. There's a tree right here. Underneath the shoe, you can pretty much see the tree. I know some people put nails in these for like more grip. I never done it before, but I heard that you could do that, especially with the sole being so thick like this. Pretty much put some nails in it. You can see on the material, it's almost like similar to a suede. When you pass your hand through it, it's gonna just leave a little mark. You just brush it. Always take a little spray it on, especially the first time you wear it. A little dope story, like Tims have always been a staple most places, especially if it snows a little bit. Tims have always been a staple. I do see people down south in like Georgia, especially in the city of Atlanta, wearing Tims now, but it's always been a staple for us up here in the East Coast. I can teach plenty of stories of some good times with a good pair of Tims on. The last butters I had, I went to Chicago for Thanksgiving. A little grease from something landed on it. Had to get rid of them, man. I couldn't rock them no more. I tried to clean it. I even took a water pressure system, tried to get the grease out. Nothing happened. I ended up just giving it to a homeless dude because I was like, I can't rock them. I only did maybe like 2 seasons with it, so they were still fresh. I'm also going to do a video on how to lace your Tims, so keep an eye on that as well. Really dope. And also check out my on-foot review. Make sure you like this video, share it, and get it to at least 100 likes for me, over 1,000 views. All right, let's get it.